So we're here this week with the diploma students of the Renewable Energy and Conservation program. They're going to be here working all week on different kinds of renewable energy systems, doing installations, inspections, and maintenance. And this is sort of a capstone to our online program where the students actually get here on site at the Applied Research Center for the students to gain that practical experience.
Today we installed a solar PV system, and this is my first time doing that, including working on a roof and getting under shingles. I definitely like the design aspect and the flexibility, and then the troubleshooting, which gets you to your end product.
It's this coming out here to site for this final week and doing the hands-on with the solar install and really putting together what it is I've been taught for the last 2 years.